Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Ackee and Saltfish with some breadfruit.
I know you make it, so let me
some fried.
Let me tell the people, because you ain't make it, I made it. So today, family, I'm taking over First Lady Talk. Today we have Ackee and Saltfish. Yes, I know you're gonna ask. It's not egg. It looks like egg, and they sell it in a Jamaican restaurant. And we also have fried green plantains, you know,
Called Tostones.
You know, something like, you know. Then we got the Jamaican breadfruit. You know, they sell this in Jamaican store too. You know what I'm saying? You could boil it, you could bake it, you could roast it, you could do whatever you want with it. You know what I'm saying? So
What did you do?
what do you call it? I fried. I fried it though. But first, we baked it first, then I fried it. You know what I'm saying? Usually in Jamaica we roast this on the fire outside, you know what I'm saying? But we couldn't do that. We ain't gonna make the fire outside and roast it. So I just baked it and then cut it up and then fried it. How it tastes?
I can talk now?
Oh yeah, you can talk now. Now you can speak.
It tastes good. Can I have a napkin, honey?
Then you know I got the grace to win the race. You know it always got to come in first place. And then you know we got this. What's this called? I'm not gonna say. You tell me what it's called. Comment down if you know what it's called. I'm not gonna say. A lot of family members know what they call already. So put my thing on that.
This also, Ackee and Saltfish, you can eat this with hard bread too.
Yes. With rice also too. Whatever you want to eat it with.
Fried dumpling, boiled dumpling.
Anything with food. Give them a look at some sample, because I told them it's not egg, you know, and they get, oh yeah, I eat egg. It's not egg. Alright. Take a piece of the saltfish, big piece of saltfish right there. AKA codfish, and then the thing, I'll hold it for y'all, because I don't want y'all to rush. There you go. We Gucci now. Family. Good?
While Richie was making this, I was sampling it. I'm not gonna lie.
You are. Family. Me and First Lady. Show a story. Me and First Lady went to Crafty Craft. First Lady ordered a bomb meal. I mean, the meal was bombing.
Good.
First Lady food was more than mine. We eating, chatting to y'all, eating, showing y'all the food. It was a long video too.
It was.
When we came home, and time for First Lady to edit, because you know I can't edit. I made the video go to 100 minutes. I can't edit. First Lady said, where's the video? We don't know where it went. But I know we tear that food up. Where did the video
I have no idea where the video went. I'm saying to myself, now I know we didn't record for no 4 minutes now. The family is not gonna like that. They're gonna be like, are you serious? 1 4-minute video?
No way, Jose.
And I'm like, I can't find it. I search and I search and I search. And then that mixed in with the RFC mess up. And then that mixed in
It's just a lot.
with the website. I was trying to get this stuff how it's supposed to get to you. It was a lot.
It's a lot, family. But you know what?
We tried to pull through. We did though.
We pulled through. The devil is strong.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, but we're stronger, you know?
Yeah, man.
You just had to go back in the lab, you know? And rethink it. Okay. This is what we're gonna have to do. Okay? So, we appreciate y'all. Bear with us, you know? We gonna get it right. Cause
what?
We getting shipment from where? Hawaii. Hawaii. Huh.
Now you have me talking nonsense. We're getting orders, not shipment.
Order, family. So we gotta get that right.
So we know what we gotta do, and we're gonna do it, and we're gonna take care of y'all. Like Richie said, what you said, it's gonna be Gucci. That's what I'm saying. And the slang that.
It's all Gucci, family. Don't worry, just bear with us. We appreciate y'all, you know.
Oh.
I know y'all really want to try them. Trust me. We don't get it. But other than that, how was your weekend? It was fine. Oh, okay. That's good.
Oh my God.
Well,
I washed my hair. Now, ladies, do you guys, when you have braids in your hair, do you wash your hair? Or when it gets to the point, you just take it out? Now, let me tell you something. I usually just take it out. But if it's done really well, I wash it and keep it for like another 2 weeks. Even after I washed it, it still looks good. She did a good job. I'm gonna have Richie grease my scalp for me.
Right on my bed.
You're right.
Family, this is good.
This weekend, we finished up what we had to do with the house. Now we just, again, like last time, putting it back together.
Remodeling's a pain.
It is, but it's the outcome is really good. But we're very blessed and we're very excited and happy that after living in our home for so long, we're finally able to, you know, do some remodeling. We gotta do that sometimes.
Yep.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. Long time.
Yep. Poor Richie slaving at work.
Oh! I didn't tell y'all.
What? Oh.
Man, that vaccine got me tripping. I'm moving like a robot. I got my first shot, family. And I'm loving it. Try to bring First Lady on. First Lady don't want to get.
Me not go. Tell me your experience.
But I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna tell you my experience. Me, family, I'm not a needed person. So let me tell you. You know, I tell you I don't be late for nothing, right?
Oh God.
I'm not First Lady. First Lady always be late.
I'm always late.
So I went to the particular spot. They say you gotta be there from 9 to 6, right? You know me, I'm on my bed from 8:30. Early. You feel me, family? I want to be the first one. So I went to the store. I had all my paperwork and everything. Right? Sat down in the chair that says, if this is a COVID, this is for the COVID vaccine, sit here. I kindly took a seat. That was the first one. Right? Took my seat. Got my pill in my hand. So 9 o'clock came.
What you had in your hand, honey?
My paperwork.
Uh-oh.
I had the paperwork in my hand and the 9 o'clock came. The girl come up to me and said, excuse me, can I help you? I said, yes, you can. She said, what are you here for? I said, look, the seat says for vaccine. She said, oh, we don't give a vaccine till 9:30. I said, oh, no. I said to her, no. I said, it was 9 o'clock now, family. I said, no, don't work like that. I said, listen, I came here a day ago and this lady said to me, oh, come from 9 to 6. That's 9 a.m., right? To whatever, 6 p.m. First lady was with me in the store too. Because I was going by my business. First lady was shopping. I told her, yo, I'm getting my vaccine. So what you laughing for?
Because this guy, you would think he's gonna work and he gotta be on time.
I don't believe
me. I'm gonna get there at 5:55.
Not me. I want to be the first one in and out. So boom, family. So Oh yeah, she said. She said, oh, vaccine until 9:30. I said, no, it doesn't. You know, the ladies told me come in from 9 to 6, and I'm here before that. She said, okay, no problem. Since you're here, you're the first one. Let me do your paperwork. Blah blah. Took my paperwork, did my stuff, and she came out with a tube in her hand. You know, after they take the shot, they put in there. I said, wait, and all kinds of stuff. I said, what are you gonna do? Surgery? She started rolling. I said, miss, I'm afraid of needles. She said, it's not gonna be that bad. So she took me in a little color spot. I said, oh my God, I'm sitting there. She said, you right-handed or left-handed? I said, I'm right, but I can use both. Hey, right here. If your first rubbing, it's right here. So she said, okay. She did her thing, wipe it down, pop out the needle. I said, oh my God, I'm like this. Please don't make it hurt. Woo! 1, 2, 3. I said, you're done? She said, yes. I said, that was it? Probably I didn't even feel the needle going in my hand.
That means she did it good.
I didn't feel it. She did it real good. So I said, okay. Oh, man.
Wow.
I forgot to tell you this part.
Rose breadfruit.
First they told me about the vaccine I'm supposed to get, right? So that's the vaccine I want to get. So the lady said, she said, what vaccine you want to get? I said, what do you mean by what vaccine I want to get? I said, the Pfizer. What's it called?
Pfizer.
Pfizer, yeah. Yeah. The Pfizer, right? Yeah.
And a piece of pepper.
She said, you want the M word, you know what I'm talking. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about, man. Then she said, you want that one, the 1 shot or 2 shot? I said, listen to me. My wife told me to get the one with the 2 shot. I don't know which one is that, but give me the one with the 2 shot. So I said, hold on. So while the lady was standing, I called. First thing I said, listen, what shot should I get? When she told me that one, I said, all right then. So that's the one with 2 shots. That's the one I want. Okay. Fast forward now. Woo! Back to when she gave me the shot. I said, oh, it's finished? She said, yeah. I said, wow, that was nice. That was quick. She said, I told you. Took my shot. Tell me when I gotta come back and stuff like that. Only issue I have, family, is that after a while it gets numb. My hand just start like, the part where she put it is like numb. That's it. Other than that, I feel good. I'm doing everything good. But
is it getting better though?
It's getting better, but it was like swollen after I hit my hand into something.
Yeah.
But that was it after that, man.
But I explained to him that's because she did the injection in the muscle. Right here. That's what they tell you when you get an injection, not to tense up because it just hurts more.
Yeah, she told me don't tense and stuff like that. I
used to be a phlebotomist, so
there we go. First they used to draw blood. She used to draw my blood too. She tell him first aid. You did a lot first aid. First aid should be a phlebotomist, whatever you call it.
I'm a trick of all trades.
First aid used to do everything. You want to see first aid in her uniform drawing blood? I said, look at her. She was good. First aid do everything. She was in the medical field.
If there's a job out there, I've done it.
She did a lot. But yeah, other than that, family, I feel good, you know, so I'm gonna get my next shot. You know what I'm saying? I did it. I told you I'm gonna do it. I'm trying to bring First Lady on now. Well, First Lady don't want to go. But
to me it does.
Good though. You full?
I am full.
I ain't take so much platinum in my youth. Is it recording? Okay.
I thought I was gonna give them some, but I changed my mind.
You better give them some. Because you know.
This breadfruit is so good.
You know. You gotta give them some.
The breadfruit has a sweet taste to it.
Yep.
Kind of remind me of bread.
Yeah. If you never tried breadfruit, go try it, please. It's basically in a lot of Caribbean islands. Try it. It's very easy to cook. But we appreciate you rocking with us. You know what I'm saying?
I wonder, did anyone get any side effects when they took the
Yeah. Did anyone get
the vaccine?
Yeah. Let me know, because I'm new to it. So I know a lot of people y'all got it and y'all said y'all been around people that have the COVID and y'all didn't catch it, but comment down, let me know. if you had
People said that?
Oh. Let me know if you had any side effects and stuff like that. Because I'm good. I'm still eating. Naturally.
Wait, hold up.
What?
Okay, no. What if they said
What?
that taking the vaccine, you could possibly lose your sense of taste? Would you take the vaccine?
They might take that back out, you know? They gotta take that vaccine back out what they gave me because I gotta eat my food. You feel like,
So if they told you might lose your taste buds, you would think twice about it?
Not take it.
Not take it.
I gotta eat my food.
Okay, what about smell?
They can take the smell, you know?
Yeah.
They can't take the food from going in my mouth.
I think the smell would benefit me too because this guy loves stuff to smell good. I mean, he will spray perfume, he will spray things in the car, he'll put incense, he'll put plug-in, he'll throw things on the carpet to vacuum it. He just loves the place to smell good.
Family, I'm Hollywood, son. I gotta make sure the stuff smell good.
Oh, like, please. The problem with that... The problem with that family is I have allergies. Okay, and all that smelly stuff that he be spraying, whatever.
Spray a lot.
I cannot smell it. I cannot deal with it. It messes up my allergies. Okay, so what he does is the incense doesn't bother me, but if he sprays stuff, he'll make sure that like I'm not in the car with him. Oh God, if he sprays it and I'm about to go in the car, I'm gonna pass out.
Family, gotta spray. But
I'm full.
That was my little story about my vaccine. So calm it down and let me know if anybody had no side effects, and let me know if anybody was barking like a dog or say meow like a cat. But no, real talk. Let me know. Calm it down and let me know, family. But I feel great though, you know? We're here. Still here. We're just trying to, as we said, trying to get everything right, you know, family? We just trying to get everything right for y'all, you know what I'm saying? We just don't want to, you know what I mean? Because I know y'all really want them, so we're going to bring it to y'all in style. All right. Yo, stop looking at me when I'm talking, son.
You're sexy, mom. You can't help it.
All right. So for that, I got a nice word of wisdom for y'all beautiful people. You know what I'm saying? First lady, you going to listen to this one? Listen, first lady, family, listen. You can't pour from an empty glass, so take care of yourself first.
Very, very, very true.
You know what?
You gotta read it again.
I'm not gonna read it again. I'm gonna get up. Oh, sit down, Richie, and read it again. All right. I know. Wink, wink.
You're frightening me, you know?
Wink, wink. I know.
I'm not gonna get beat up by myself.
Look, this person, though. I can't even wink that good. That person, no. All right.
Make sure you read it twice, because I'm not going to get beat up by myself.
Then read it twice again. First lady.
Yep.
You can't pour from an empty glass, so take care of yourself first.
I agree. So much so. And it's so hard to do that, too. Especially as a mother. No offense, father. But... especially as a mother. Oh my gosh. My things a woman have to do.
Yep.
And men, they barely do nothing. You know, so lazy.
I chat too much, man. Yeah, cut the video. I chat too much, man. I gotta go get that money. That's what I do.
So what the hell I do? Something I work.
I'm the money maker, dog.
So I don't work.
No, family. She don't. First, they don't work. First, just stay home, man. Just be pretty.
Yeah, right.
I gotta make that money.
Even if I stay home, I don't just stay home.
We appreciate y'all. You chat too much,
man. You chat too much. Too freaking lie.
We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's in the description. Sorry, we ain't say it in the video. Yeah, it's there. Go check it out.
Go check it out.
The greedy couple patties, you know? Get it while it's hot, not while it's not. Don't be late or you won't participate. I am Richie, a.k.a. Chatty Pasta sometime, and this is a.k.a. First Lady Shanice. They are?
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye!